And today in this video we'll be showing you how to use VirtualBox and basically how you can run a Linux OS inside it. Now VirtualBox is basically a VM virtual machine uh, software. Like basically you can uh, in simple terms basically you can use a computer inside a computer. And today we're going to show you how exactly we're going to do that. So first of all we need to go to the VirtualBox website and actually Oracle made this thing. Well, you need to go to virtualbox.org and then go to the downloads and then go for Windows host if you are Windows, and then you just have to install this setup, and it's pretty much the same installation thing from here. And now you need to launch the VirtualBox, and then you need to choose some kind of or ISO here, ISO file. So ISO is basically a disk image of the OS. And for this video I'm gonna use linuxmint, and I already have it installed, so I'm just gonna make a new virtual machine here, and let me name it as linuxmint. And now I just have to select the ISO file. I already have a linuxmint 21.3 cinnamon edge ISO. I use edge because I have a ThinkPad, and it really uses a new kernel for Linux, and only the edge version supports it. And it shows you Ubuntu as default, as Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu. And let's go. And by default it is change me. Actually in Linux we actually have used a password for everything, and by default it's called change me. I can change this here, but I'm just going to keep it as it is. um, Now the issue is you may have issues like this next button is actually grayed out. This is because you shouldn't give a space here in the hosting. I know it's just going to work all fine. And I'm just going to allocate some 4 GB RAM because it's a 64-bit version, 4096 MB, that's perfect 4 GB. And I'm going to allocate some 4 CPUs. It's going to be very choppy, but it's just for the installation, right? So you can just go ahead. And I'm going to allocate some Mint actually uses around some 15 to 20 GB. I'm just going to, since it's just for this installation, I'm going to allocate 24. And we're basically creating a virtual hard disk instead of allocating something. And that's it. We're done with the setup process, and click finish. Now let's start the virtual machine. It's powering up. And there we go. See. Okay. Seems like there's some issue. Okay, it's here. Now let's start Linux Mint. Okay. Now it's pretty straightforward. Like you can just install it as it is, and we're just putting into the desktop right now. We're almost there. And we're almost there. Okay. Okay, we are finally here. So we basically launched into disk image of this Linux Mint ISO, and it's pretty straightforward from here. Like, you can just click on this install linuxmint icon and just install it. Suppose you are free to do anything now on this thing, and it's pretty much isolated from the rest of your computer, and it's pretty much like running a computer inside a computer. Like you can run anything, like you can run Mac OS no libboot, you can run Ubuntu, FreeBSD, Solaris, whatever you wish on this thing. And you just need one computer for this, and you can run two operating systems at once, even more if you wish. And that's it for this video, and it's pretty straightforward from here, and it's just it's your regular Linux Mint setup, and you can just go ahead and install it. And thanks for watching.